Let's go ahead and complete this conversion process by deleting our old field and updating our view. I'm going to go ahead and go to Structure and Content Types. And we're going to adjust the tour content type. I'm going to click on Manage Fields. And let's go ahead and remove this previous location field that we created. I'm going to click Delete. I'm going to confirm deletion. Okay, so now we have just our one location, but now we'll need to update our calendar. Let's go ahead and jump to the calendar. I'm going to click on the home link. I'm going to click on Calendar. And you see we have our location column empty. So let's go ahead and edit this view. And scroll down to the fields. We'll begin by removing our broken handler. I'm going to click on this and then click Remove. And then let's add our new field. I'm going to click on Add. And I'm going to search for location. We see only one option. Let's go ahead and select this and click Add and Configure Fields. We have a couple of options here. We're going to leave the formatter at link and leave the rest at its defaults. And I'm going to click Apply. Let's scroll down to see our changes. Okay. We now have our location column, and each of these items is a link. Let's go ahead and save this and then test those links. I'm going to scroll up to the top and click Save. This will take us back to our calendar view. And let's go ahead and click on one of these locations. I'm going to click on Zimbabwe. We currently see only one item listed here, but as we import the rest of our tours, we'll see additional matches for the Zimbabwe location.